Whether you're looking to save time, get organized, or just find new ways to improve your daily routine, I've got you covered. So grab a favorite cup of drink, sit back, and let's dive into these
useful tips. The first one being the lint remover, which comes in a roll. It has so many uses. It can clean lampshades, especially the ones which are made of cloth. It removes dirt, small hair, dust, everything in such an efficient manner. And so very easy to peel off.
The next one, what I'm going to share is a request made by a friend.
Sometimes it gets difficult to wear small necklaces when you're all by yourself. What I do is I open the hook and I keep the chain in front of me. Then immediately I try to hook it on, and multiple times it has worked. Another way to do it is using paper clip. You just need one paper clip. This really helps when the hook keeps on sliding away from your hand and you just can't hook in the chain. You have to extend one side and keep the other side, which has the smaller loop, intact. And there we are going to insert the loop of the chain. You can press it a bit more so that the loop doesn't come out. So you put the chain around your neck, holding the longer part of the paper clip as well as the hook. Since you have the loop secure with the paper clip, it gets very easy to just put the hook on the chain. And then you open up the small loop and remove it from the chain. Since we are talking about necklaces, here's another trick. If you want to carry your necklaces when you're traveling on a vacation or something, and they do get entangled with each other, here's a little trick. So to avoid them from entangling with each other, you can use a piece of straw, depending upon the size of the necklace, a complete straw, or you can also cut it into pieces. And like that, they will not entangle with each other. Let's see a simple technique to reuse masks which we might be having left over in the house. So these masks, they have this wire on the front part which you can remove. Next, you fill it with some baking soda, around 2 to 3 teaspoons. And then you can close the mass using the same wire which we just pulled out. This makes an excellent deodorizer for anywhere where there are some bad odors. You can just place these sachets, it's like a sachet, and you'll notice all the odors will just vanish. So I'm placing it here in the shoe closet, in both of them, as well as I placed one in my refrigerator. So the next one is also with my favorite baking soda once again. You just sprinkle all over your sink and scrub it with a brush. Leave it for maybe around 5 minutes, and when you rinse, you will see that your sink is sparkling.
I've always used white vinegar to clean my dishwasher and also to make the utensils shine and sparkle. But I was just short of white vinegar, so I tried putting in a ball of aluminum foil, and the results were spectacular. All the cutlery and the steel items turned out shining. So I think you must give it a try. Most of the times our clothes get dirty on the collars and the cuffs, especially the uniforms of children. I have noticed that they are dirtier around the neck area and of course the pants around the knee area. So what you can do is, instead of putting it for a longer wash in the washing machine, you can just dampen that area, whether it's the collar or whether it's the cuffs of a shirt, for example. You can add a bit of hair shampoo. Shampoos are made in order to remove body oils. So when you dampen the area and you add some shampoo and let it rest for around 10 minutes, you will notice that after putting it for a normal wash time, which is not even, for an hour and a half, your shirt and your clothes will come out looking much more cleaner.
Coming to our tip number 8, in order to boil eggs and be able to remove the peels very easily, just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda while boiling them. This product, which is so easily available and economical, has so many uses and advantages.
So whenever we have some electronic in our house, usually it comes with extra cables, extra wires and a lot of extra plugs and things that sometimes we don't even use. If you put them all in one box like how I had it, it's very hard to find something when you want to really look for it. This is a simple way I organized them using empty toilet rolls and empty boxes, so that they can be located easily in each slot.
Here's a way to make your house smell really nice and aromatic. If you have coffee beans, just pour them into some pretty glass containers, and when you light tea light candles, with the heat of the candle, after a few minutes, your entire house will be filled with the delicious aroma of coffee.
So that's it for today, guys. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up because it always means a lot when you do. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for hanging in there, and I'll see you soon in the next one.